Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Konemi. So for today's video, this is for you, Gemini. So choose 1, 2, or 3 kung alin dyan yung gusto mong mag-represent ng top 30 ng 30 days next 30 day forecast mo. Okay? If you need more time, pause the video. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. And for paid personal readings, send me a private message. Check the description box below. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay. Again, if you need more time, pause the video. Okay, number 1. If you have chosen the red bracelet, let's see. For the next 30 days, Gemini, parang you need to focus on being quiet about your money. Parang wag ka munang maglakwatsa, wag ka munang mag-shopping, wag ka munang magtatatalak about anong plano mong bilhin, saan ka pupunta, sinong isasama mo, and all that. Gemini ka, madaldal ka eh. So parang hush-hush na muna. May Empress reverse, probably a Taurus or a Libra, pero for some reason I'm sensing a Libra. This is someone na nagpaplanong umutang sa'yo. At mukhang may utang na sa'yo pero walang planong magbayad. Tas uutang ulit. And 9 of Swords, parang this is someone na hindi siya stable sa sa decision making skills niya. Tas tumalon si Sun card reversed. This may be someone na nagkapera na hindi nagbayad. At tapos madi-discover mo. Kaya kailangan mong mag-stick to the plan na kahit na may sobra ka, keep it to yourself. Kasi mga ganitong klaseng tao, hindi to worthy na pahiramin o tulungan. So parang may madi-discover ka. At bottom of the deck, Hangman, hintay ka lang. May marireveal sa'yo regarding kung saan napupunta yung pera niya at bakit problemado siya lagi. Okay? So there. That's for you, number 1. May naisip akong Gemini Anyway, that's it for you, number 1. Let's proceed kay number 2. Okay, Gemini number 2, if you have chosen this stone, 10 of Wands reversed. Uy, ganda nito. Merong mahirap na situation na parang finally you can let it go na. O pwedeng na-accomplish mo na, natapos mo na, wala nang dapat problemahin. 8 of Cups in reversed, yung mga naging panggulo lang sa'yo nung pinoproblema mo pa yung burden na to. Parang magkakaroon ka ng chance to reconnect with them. Apologize if you must, especially if nagsusungit ka nung masyado kang busy. Kasi Gemini ka, ugali mo yun. Pagka busy, wag kang masyadong maraming tanong. Iwan niyo ako, wag niyo akong kausapin. Pero tawag nito parang apologize if you must, and yun nga, parang reconnect with them in order for you to explain kung ano ba yung napagdaanan mo at bakit hindi ka matinong kausap lately. And if you're going to do that, merong 9 of Wands. All those people who actually understood or considered your situation, especially if alam naman talaga nila, parang they will stay. Yung mga parang walang pakialam or hindi concerned sa situation mo, yun yung unti-unting mawawala. Okay? Anyway, that's for you, Gemini. Number 2, let's proceed kay number 3. If you have chosen this, see, Gemini number 3, you have to take a neglected or forgotten opportunity seriously. Kasi parang tiba-tiba ka dito to the point na yung pera mo pwede mong ma-share. So, maybe meron kang naaalala, especially ngayon, retrograde. I'm reading this in a retrograde season. So, maybe may naalala kang in-offer sa'yo na opportunity, or maybe in-offer sa'yo na tulungan ka about a specific source of income, like a career move, or a business idea, ganyan. Na parang take it seriously. Especially if matino naman yung kausap mo, at saka nakikita mo rin na yung nag-propose ng source of income na yan, matitino naman talaga yung negosyo niya, maayos naman siyang humawak ng pera. So maybe you need to listen to this person. Okay? Kasi yun nga, yung Nine of Pentacles, this can actually lead to you having money abundant enough to share to others. Kasi pag ganyan, solo mo lang eh. Kaya nga bachelor card ang Nine of Pentacles. Pero in reverse, parang pwede mo siyang ma-share. I'm hearing sa community or communities. So, magmumukha kang niyan. Charity. Institution. Okay? So, there. Whatever it is, take it seriously. Try to consider if maganda bang pasukin. Especially if financially stable naman yung nag-propose. Malay mo, baka maging mag-partner kayo. Okay? So there, that's for you, Gemini. Thank you for watching. And for paid personal reading, send me a private message.